We have a problem with our roof and a water leak, and you can see the overhang here has got signs of water damage there, the light, and you can see it's dropped down a little bit right there. So we had Legacy Contracting come out today. They do roofs, windows, and doors. The guy spent at least an hour here with a garden hose running water up in that valley to see what happened. He went in the attic. There's no visible leaks. The plywood looks fine. So he was trying to figure out, where is this coming from? And he also recommended that that gap right there in the valley, that shouldn't have been done that way. I don't know who did this roof, but they should have cemented that gap so it looks like this. See how they did the cement? They should have cemented that gap there. And what that does is keep leaves out of here, because he said we really need to clean out all those leaves, and they're all plugged up down this whole side of the house. But what's causing the leak is the gutters were put on wrong. And it's funny because we had a gutter guy out here and he looked at it and he said everything's fine. It's not. You can see they caulked it because they're trying to keep the water from going behind the gutter. Well, if you go over here, that's where the leak is, and you can see the caulk is bad and water's getting down behind it. So as I walk around the house, I see some other areas that are showing signs of water leaks like that. So if you're having your gutters put on, make sure they do it right. It's supposed to be on the back side of this, not on the front side. So you can see all the gutters and the whole entire house are done wrong. So the guy was super nice, and he didn't charge us a penny for this. And he spent the entire time explaining, what to do. Super nice. So I would check them out if you have a roof issue.